today we're going on a boat.
It's where we always go. Look at Pier 55.
Oh, that's the actual thing. Wait, okay, hold on.
Excuse my makeup. I let my sister do
Let's just go right
my makeup.
No.
If you didn't hear that, if you didn't hear that, I let my little sister do my makeup.
Oh, the dude.
So about my makeup, she got this eyebrow uneven.
Should I put my hair in my head?
So we're about to go on a cruise. Jeez Louise! Holy shit.
Because you thought you
This is Seattle.
I love Seattle.
No, you don't. Yeah, because
You're right.
never mind. So, if you didn't hear me, because I said this 5 times, it looks like I did this, but my little sister did this.
Ooh, we need to go there.
I know. I think we need to.
Wait, is that our boat?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Wait,
You
this
asked-
is 54.
But this is the actual.
I'm so excited. So excited.
I don't know. Hi. How do we get to that place?
The Harbor Cruise is, you know, the 1 hour Harbor Cruise?
Yes.
That one is, if you go just
We're getting on the boat
Ever
right
since
now.
then, it's. No, we're not. We're not leaving still. Hold on. Relax. You know? Show the boat, dude. So where do we go?
I don't
Over
know.
the top?
I don't think it matters.
What I want to do is I want to play with the toddler.
Huh?
What I want to do is I want to play with the toddler.
I like your glasses.
I'll find you guys.
Okay.
So big. This is cool.
No bump. I like this one
I saw it happening.
Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
Use.
Watch your hands. One more.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Stairs to the top deck are going to be right out this way.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon. It's an afternoon. I'm about 2 minutes short of afternoon, but good afternoon, everybody. Welcome aboard the Salish Explorer. My name is Sean. I'm going to be your narrator and a tour guide today for our 1 hour trip around the bay. Use your hand. Underway. We're just outside for a little bit longer, waiting for some more folks to join us on our 1 hour tour. As you've been walking around the Salish Explorer, you've probably noticed, wow, this boat is big. There's lots of space to move around, and never feel like you're restricted to your seat. If you want to get up and explore the vessel, you are absolutely as well. It simply fell into the water a couple of years back in 2019. Scheduled for demolition, it's being refurbished, and that's why.
Excuse me.
Guys, so I'm eating chocolate ice cream. It's so good.
We passed through the gum wall.
We got off the boat. Sorry I didn't film that much, but let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's our goal. So thanks for watching. Bye.